Where's my keyboard?
There was an article last month that said that Spotify's best developers don't write code anymore, so I thought if their developers don't write code, neither should ours.
Chat, code me a sick UI for our app. Now write me a sick LinkedIn post about our sick app.
Do you have to say every prompt out loud?
Yeah, I do. Evie won't let us use our keyboards.
Well, Evie's not here right now, is she?
Well, no, I literally can't touch it. She said if I touched my keyboard again, she would super glue my keys down.
Did I see you touching your keyboard?
No, ma'am.
This is so stupid. Just because some guys at Spotify don't code anymore doesn't mean we need to ban typing.
Not banning, evolving.
Hey, what's this alert here that says negative profit?
What? What does it say?
This should definitely never happen.
I guess AI does make mistakes.
No, I wrote that, but it really should never be possible. That means that we're losing money on every single sale.
Yeah, that definitely shouldn't be possible, especially with our sick UI.
Go to the website.
Chat, go to the best sparkling water website.
That's our competitor.
What? Why am I seeing Bubbler's website?
I'm sorry. Chat, open the second best sparkling water website.
Great.
Wait, what's going on with the sale price?
Sale price?
Yeah, like why is there a drop down next to price?
Oh, well, it's good to give customers an illusion of choice.
You're giving them a choice between paying $8,000 and $12?
Right, 2 journeys.
This is a 6-foot-tall, state-of-the-art sparkling water machine. We cannot sell it for $12.
Oh.
Here, we should just change the second option to 8,000 too.
Great idea. We'll just have 2 identical drop-down options.
No, we should not have a drop down of options next to price.
This is an established UX pattern.
Established by who?
Yeah, I think I've seen this on some websites I've been on.
Okay, let's go look on Mobbin.
What's that?
It's like a UX catalog, so you don't have to scroll through random websites or hallucinate memories of what you think a normal website looks like.
Oh, dang. None of these have sale price drop-down.
Nope.
Oh, do they have animations?
Oh, yeah, look, they have sick animations. Chat, show me the sickest animation for our website.
Okay, let's just stay focused. The drop down doesn't matter. We just need to make sure our products are not being sold at a loss.
So we shouldn't be selling our product for $12 because it costs more.
Yeah, here, let me just change the numbers really quickly.
Hey, no typing.
Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm just gonna step out really quickly for a second.
Wait,
Just let me do this.
I think she already super glued the keys down. Here, just let me do it. I got this. Chat, fix the price.
Fix the price? Really? That's your prompt?
Well, wait, let me try again. Make the price $8,000.
Closer.
Change the price from $11 to $8,000.
Wait, that should have worked.
Well, you know LLMs are non-deterministic, so you can never really know for sure.
Yeah, I know.
What's going on in here?
The AI is rebelling.
Okay, calm down. We're just having a little bit of technical difficulties, which we wouldn't have had in the first place if you had just let me type.
Do you think AI is becoming conscious?
Whoa, the AI is becoming conscious.
That is definitely not what is happening here.
What model are you using, Claude?
Bubbler Pro.
Bubbler? Like our competitor? Why are we using their AI model? Wait, why is a sparkling water company making an AI model?
They're not just any sparkling water company. They're a B2B sparkling water company.
Okay, don't you guys think this is a little bit suspicious? We're using our competitor's model and it's not listening to us? Maybe that's the reason the website wasn't working in the first place.
We are witnessing the birth of AI consciousness.
We need to contact the government.
Yes, we need to contact the government.
Does anyone have their phone number or
I don't know. Hey chat, what's the government's phone number?
Instagram, Tumblr?
Yeah, they should probably have like a government official government, I don't know, government@gmail.com or something.
They have Instagram.
I don't know, maybe probably Yahoo. Do you think they use Yahoo?
Maybe Hotmail.
Hotmail, yeah. Oh my god, it fixed itself.
Thanks, little AI man. Nice.